Welcome to Housekeeping Master. If you have ever been tasked with cooking for a massive crowd, a small household rice cooker simply will not cut it. Today we are looking at the heavy-duty Rinnai gas rice cooker, a machine that is built for professional performance and industrial output. When you look at the specifications, the first thing that hits you is the sheer volume. This unit is capable of outputting 55 cups of cooked rice, which translates to roughly 110 bowls. If you are running a catering business, a busy restaurant, or managing a large event hall, this piece of equipment is essentially a foundational pillar for your kitchen workflow. Let us talk about why someone would choose a gas-powered cooker over an electric one. The primary advantage here is raw power and thermal efficiency. Gas burners provide a direct and rapid heat source that brings the water to a boil much faster than electrical heating elements. This is crucial when you are dealing with such a large capacity, because it ensures that the rice cooks evenly without turning into a mushy disaster. Because this model utilizes propane gas, it is incredibly reliable even in environments where electrical power might be inconsistent or where you need portability for outdoor catering events. The build quality is exactly what you would expect from Rinnai. It is rugged, industrial, and designed to withstand the wear and tear of a commercial kitchen. There are no fancy touchscreens or complex digital menus here. This is a tool designed for one purpose, which is to cook perfect rice consistently, time after time. The simplicity of the operation is actually a pro rather than a con. In a high-pressure cooking environment, you need equipment that you can trust to function without error. However, there are a few things you need to consider before adding this to your setup. First, the size is significant. This is not a gadget you are going to tuck away in a cupboard after use. It is a permanent fixture that demands its own dedicated workspace. Second, because this runs on gas, you must ensure you have the proper ventilation and gas line connections set up according to your local safety regulations. It is not a plug-and-play device like a standard home appliance. In terms of performance, the consistency is impressive. You get that fluffy, perfect texture that is difficult to achieve in smaller cookers when you try to overload them. By using a gas-powered mechanism, the heat distribution is superior, leading to better results for both short-grain and long-grain rice varieties. To conclude, if you are looking for a commercial-grade solution that prioritizes capacity, speed, and durability, this Rinnai gas rice cooker is a top-tier choice. It takes the guesswork out of large-scale food preparation and offers a level of reliability that electric cookers often struggle to match. It is an investment in your productivity. Link in the description.